guys, my name is Chavi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited because we're trying out some viral fashion hacks. You know, I was just scrolling through my Instagram and I saw so many fashion hacks and they were so pretty. But who knows कि real में work करते हैं कि नहीं. So here I am and I'll test them out for you guys. So you know, तुम लोग try कर सको. And yes, if you are interested, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have so many things right here, so we'll be working with all of this stuff. मैंने पहले gather करके कर लिया है. Also, you know, I haven't applied any makeup, like legit कुछ नहीं है. No concealer, no nothing. And you know, I have only done my skincare and I'm loving my face. So I was like, आज makeup नहीं करते हैं. Also, we will be trying on clothes, so makeup में वो लग जाता है and stuff. I don't want that hustle. But anyhow, okay, moving on to our first hack. In this hack, she takes, you know, this really simple strappy top, and then she inverts it and then wears it. तो वो simple की जगह वो बीच में एक twist आ जाता है and it looks so pretty. So we are going to try it out. So ये आगे से ऐसा है and पीछे से ऐसा. So like मैं तो obviously इसको ऐसे ही पहनती हूँ because I hate how it looks ऐसे. So let me just show you. Okay, so this is how it looks normally. Okay, but what she does is वो इसको निकाल कर she inverts it like this and then wears it. What is this? Okay, so this is how it looks. I think it looks nice. Wait, let me just show this to you without this t-shirt. I think तब ज़्यादा अच्छे से idea लगेगा. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, so this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty. But पीछे से it looks ऐसा. So this is how it looks and I think it looks pretty. Like पीछे से it looks ऐसे. I hope you guys can see. I mean ये बिल्कुल बेसिक से टॉप को कितना ऐसे लिफ्ट अप कर दिया है. This is so beach appropriate and also you know like you can wear it ऐसे with high waist jeans and throw on a jacket like if you aren't comfortable. But I really like it. Like I think I am going to do this with every top of mine. This looks very pretty. Like obviously you have to adjust a bit, but this will not move at all and it's very comfortable. So yeah, I give this a huge thumbs up. Like I am obsessed. This is so freaking pretty. Okay, now moving on to another hack. What she does is she takes a spaghetti top, फिर से इसको निकालना है, then इसको पीछे क्रॉस करके so that ये इधर से टाइट हो जाए, इधर से again इसको निकाल is इसको थोड़ा सा टाइटन अप करके she ties it at the back. वो तो मैं बाद में कर दूँगी. But this is how it will look and it will be backless. I don't know, it looks weird यहाँ से, maybe because it has all these strings. So ये तो मेरी गलती हुई. But anyhow, let's just try this without this t-shirt and I'll show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks and it looks weird, like literally. ये यहाँ से इतना बुरा लग रहा है ना, मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ. चलो ठीक है, वो इसकी वजह से हो रहा होगा, इसको छोड़ते हैं. But then look at this, ये flaps कितने गंदे लग रहे हैं. This looks weird, like I don't know, maybe the fabric or I don't know what it is, but it looks weird. यहाँ से flaps अलग से निकल रहे हैं. Then this situation that is going on over here, this तो we can avoid because उसमें भी बहुत सारे strings थे. But then this I don't like. Like I have tucked it inside, but can you guys see? And this is how it looks from the back. Also I feel that this is like too revealing, but that's not our problem. वो secure, like it is very secure, but I don't know, I don't feel nice with this one. So this might get a 6 out of 10. Okay, so moving on to our next hack, what she does is she takes a top and then she cinches it in like this and ties a knot underneath, folds it, and it gives an illusion of a crop top. I would suggest taking a fitted top and not a baggy टी-शर्ट, बिकॉज फिर वही सेम इफेक्ट आएगा जो हम नॉट बांध के कर देते हैं, तो कुछ भी अलग नहीं दिखेगा. सो लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई इट ऑन दिस टॉप एंड सी हाउ डिफरेंट इट लुक्स फ्रॉम दैट नॉट वाला थिंग. So yeah, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, so I have this top on. This is, you know, a very normal length and not very short, not very long. So let's just try and do what she did. This is how it should look, and then you can just fold the fabric. Oh, this works. I feel कि ये टॉप थोड़ा सा और लंबा होना चाहिए था for this to show up more beautifully, but I think it works. Like this is how it looked and now this is how it looks. I feel कि ये बहुत अच्छा hack है. You guys see, ऐसे knot effect भी आ रहा है and it looks very flattering. So yeah, I am really liking this. This gets a huge thumbs up, like a 10 on 10. Beautiful. Okay, so for our next hack, we need a scarf. And we'll fold it in half. Then इस पर we have to tie a knot like this. Okay, so this is how it will look. Now जहाँ पे भी हमने इसको fold करा था ना, उसको ऐसे खोल लेंगे. So you will have two holes like this. इसको ऐसे shrug की तरह पहनना है. Then we have to take this fabric here, इसको इधर, and this is how it will look. I'm tired already. I'll show you without this t-shirt, and this is how it looks, and I don't like it. Okay, so this is how it looks. I don't know, I feel like this is not that bad. You need to tuck तमीज़ से. I mean, you can wear this on a beach or something. I don't feel कि आप ऐसे normal बाहर जाते वक्त पहन सकते हो because it is not that secure. अगर आप पीछे knot बांध सकते हो वो that is another case. But this is how it looks, looking fine. जितना मैंने इसको बदनाम सा कर दिया था उतना बुरा नहीं लग रहा है. I think it's looking okayish and I will give it, I don't know, maybe an 8. Okay, now moving on to another hack. She makes a muscle tee, and you all know that muscle tee are so in trend. So she's wearing this really loose t-shirt. Now she takes her t-shirt का sleeve इधर से and then just folds it under her bra strap, and this is how it looks. Oh, this looks nice and it is very secure, like it won't come off. You can just amp up your t-shirts now. It's looking beautiful. This gets a huge thumbs up and so hassle free, unlike all the other hacks that we've tried. But I like this, like this is looking pretty and this looks so powerful. Okay, so now moving on to another hack. You might have seen pants with strings attached to it so that you can, you know, tie it around your waist and it looks so sexy. But we are going to DIY it, like obviously. So yes, what she does is she takes this string and then puts it in her पीछे वाले loop में and then just ties it around her waist. I think this will look nice if I have a crop top on. So I will be back in 2 seconds. And okay, so I'll be wearing this जो हमने उसको twist करके बनाया था. Okay, so I've looped it at the back and now we're just going to twist it over here. And so yeah, this was the last hack and it gets a huge thumbs up from me. Like it looks pretty, it looks super sexy, and it also makes your waist look a bit slimmer and in shape. So yeah, that's about it for my hack. So that is it for today's video. I really enjoyed testing these hacks out, and if you also did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will meet you in my next video really soon. Until then, goodbye.